Dear Governor Soludo, with all due respect, sir, it was quite unfair that you neither recognized, send a birthday message to, nor publicly celebrate the Obi of Onitsha on his birthday. We are talking about the 001 of Igbo traditional rulers, a first-class king par excellence. By overlooking such an occasion, it appeared as though his authority and position were not given the honor they deserve. Odege mamancha, obinhe jokariru delinanjo masikari and kapinishi. It took Governor Alex Otti all the way from Abia State to accord the royal father the reverence due to him. Governor Alex Otti even flew the Obi of Onitsha to Umuahia and organized a resounding birthday celebration in his honor. Odiegwo, operaka, Ndi Shago sila operaka. Governor Soludo, with all due respect, sir, I am not comfortable with this. I do not know whether there is any misunderstanding between you and the Obi. But you should not have taken Governor Alex Otti to do what ought to have naturally been done by Anambra State itself. No, sir, you got this one wrong. And I sincerely hope it does not repeat itself again. Even when Obi Nemeka is old enough to be your father. Please accord him the honor and respect he deserves, sir. Obi of Onitsha is no ordinary traditional ruler. He is the numero uno among Igbo kings, the first among equals, the foremost first-class king in Igboland. Is the Agbogidi, the Agụnaechemba, Onye Nwe Obodo, Onye Ụbọchị na-atọ ya ụtọ, the Iroko. Just as the Sultan of Sokoto holds a unique and highly revered position among emirs in the north, that same distinction is what sets the Obi of Onitsha apart from other autonomous Igwes in the east. At 85, Ndi Obi Alfred Nnemeka deserves honor, dignity, and deep respect. After all, we are Igbo people. We have culture and tradition. We should never abandon our customs and values. Ndị Igbo si n'ugwu nkwanyị nwaanyị amụta ibe ya. Gidi bụ ugwu eze. Onye fee eze eri ya aka. Governors come and go. Politicians may be influential today and fade tomorrow. But the throne of the Obi of Onitsha remains sacred and unshakable. He will remain Obi until the day he joins his ancestors. Yes! Thank you, Governor Alex Otti, for doing the needful. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Grace, wisdom, and long life will never depart from your household. As you honored His Royal Majesty, Igwe Alfred Nnemeka Echebe, may honor also be added to your own years and legacy. Igwe Nnemeka Alfred Echebe has undoubtedly built a remarkable legacy over the years. Through his achievements in academics, business, and traditional leadership, he continues to command admiration and respect across generations and backgrounds. His life represents discipline, wisdom, responsibility, and purposeful leadership. He has shown that true leadership is not merely about occupying a position, but about positively impacting lives while preserving the values and traditions of one's people. Please, nobody should insult or drag Governor Soludo in the comment section. I will delete such comment. Let us remain respectful with our words. He remains our erudite professor whom we love and are proud of. So far, he is doing remarkably well in Anambra State, and his good works are visible. But because, sir, listen to your people and do the needful. Don't forget, if your children do not know how to speak Igbo or solve mathematics properly, bring them into my academy. If you're seeking for proof of funds assistance, come, I'm going to help you. If you want to learn how to create content and edit videos, I am also here for you. We have lands available for sale across Igbo regions. Send me a DM. And if you also want to travel for your work visa and student visa, I am also available. See you in my DM. Bye.